Hello everyone, welcome to Mom and Pretty Music channel. If you are a newbie, kindly subscribe to my channel, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for your love and support. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I manage my daughter's natural hair to give me the texture, the look, and the health I desire on her hair. Today, I'm going to be showing you how I manage her hair, a step-by-step practical tutorial on how I manage her hair. First, I wash her hair with just a simple natural shampoo, and I'm gonna be applying leave-in Cantu conditioner. Leave-in Cantu conditioner is so healthy because it hydrates the hair, it adds shine and moisture to the hair when combined with other natural oil like argan oil, olive oil, and herbal oil. It gives the hair the texture, the health, and the moisture is so desired for a healthy growth. So I am practically massaging the leave-in conditioner on our hair. As you can see, it's already looking so shine, and that is argan oil. Argan oil helps to fight against dandruff, it fights against frizz, and it keeps hair protected away from damage. So I'm just going to apply the argan oil on her hair, and I will make sure I gently massage it on her hair down to her scalp so that it will moisturize her hair, give her the necessary protection her scalp so demand. Next oil we're gonna be using here is the olive oil. Olive oil is so essential for hair because it adds moisture to the hair and it also strengthens the hair. I'm gonna make sure I massage the olive oil gently into her scalp down to the front of her hair, all the edges. I'll make sure I gently massage. Massaging the hair ensures blood circulation on the head, so you want to ensure you completely and properly massage your child's hair to ensure there is free blood circulation. I pick the comb to also comb it out. The next oil I'm going to be using is the African Best Ultimate Herbal Oil. This oil is so very essential because it's made from the blend of grapeseed oil, coconut oil, castor oil, olive oil, sweet almond oil, soybean oil with extract of ginseng, aloe vera, and Persian walnut. This oil is so very important for your child's hair and scalp because it prevents itchy and dry scalp. It also promotes healthy growth of hair, and it also soothes and conditions the hair and scalp. All right, everyone, I'm massaging this oil into our scalp and hair, gently massaging it along the edges, and I'm also using the comb to brush it out again over and over to make sure all these oils are completely infused into the hair and scalp. All right, see you in the next video where we'll be styling our hair. Stay tuned. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe and share with your friends and family with kids. Thank you so much. Bye.